all, welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. In today's video, we are going to see some lovely collection of party wear sarees. But this time it's going to be beautiful chiffons and georgettes and some matka silks. Those kind of really flowy material. I will tell you about the material whenever I show you the saree, because every material is going to be in a different pattern. Very beautiful half and half sarees and all. We have a very lovely worked blouses. Those kind of different collections today we have. Before seeing the sarees, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. To purchase the saree, take a screenshot and send us to the number 938485129. I repeat, it's 938485129. Come on, let's start seeing the gorgeous sarees now. It's a beautiful chiffon saree with a very pretty satin patta on the borders, and throughout the body we have a beautiful shimmer lines running along the body. Very class saree. It's a dual tone pattern in light green and dark green shade. Looks really class. So it's a very beautiful shade. Very pretty design. Lovely pattern. Looks really class. It's a party wear sarees, and the blouse is going to be the highlight of this. A very beautiful velvet blouse with completely chunky work on it. Very pretty one. Looks really class when you wear it. And the price of this saree is 950. This is again a beautiful shade in green and peacock green and peacock blue mix. Both the sides we have satin border. If you could see, it's a chiffon saree, a metal chiffon saree, so you have a shine in the saree, but a very pleasing decent look saree. Very beautiful party wear. You have tassels in the corners and the pallu, and a very beautiful blouse. And the price of this saree is 950. In the same pattern, it's a lovely brown, light brown and dark brown shade. A very beautiful dual pattern. I'll show you the colors. It's a light and dark rust shade with browns. It's really class when you wear. See how classy the saree is. Very beautiful one with the glitter lines in it. And the blouse is again a very beautiful contrast blouse in maroon with chumkies. And the price of the saree is 950. This is again a very lovely gray, pink, some kind of a wine color, all color mix. You could see that in the saree. See, it's a very different dual shades. Beautiful brown, pink, all colors coming in the same lines. So it's all mixed colors. Looks really class. Simple but very elegant. A beautiful party wear saree. You have a satin patta on both the sides and a very pretty tassels, and the blouse is in contrast wine color, beautiful shade. And the price of this saree is 950. This is a very beautiful mehendi shade design in that light and dark colors. I'll show you the colors. If you see, it's a dark here, then a light shade, then more of a green. Very different pattern. Looks really class when you wear. When you tie the saree, it will look really pretty. Both the sides we have satin patta, and this is the pallu with tassels. And these sarees will be slightly transparent, and the blouse is in contrast brown. And the price of this saree is 950. In this, it's more of a peacock green shade. A beautiful color. I'm sure you could see the lines, the glitter lines. The beautiful colors, very pretty colors. Looks how class the saree looks. Whoever likes party wear but quite simple, not too grand sarees, they would just love this saree. And the blouse of the saree is this, and the price of the saree is 950. This is a very beautiful rust and sunset orange, brown, all mixed colors. You could see the colors. I'll show you the colors. Very beautiful shades. Looks really pretty shades. See, light, dark. When you wear it, these sarees are looking to be very gorgeous sarees, and it will just stick to you. Whoever loves synthetic material, please go for this. Whoever likes cotton type sarees, please don't go for this saree. Whoever likes really flowy material can really go for this saree. And the blouse is in contrast maroon, and the price of the saree is 950. This is again a very pretty pink, beautiful pink, light and dark shades of pinks. I'll show you the colors, how beautiful it comes. This is a more of a light pink, and then you have a tomato pink and slightly more of a darker reddish pink. That kind of colors mixed in the saree. These dual tones will look really grand, and the material is metal chiffon, so you have a shine in the sari and the sheen, very beautiful one. And the blouse is in contrast pink. Price of the sari is 950. This is a very pretty black color chiffon sari. In that a very beautiful work is being done. Both the sides we have a border which is been attached border, and these body you have a beautiful design running along the body of the sari, and that is an embroidered one. The body is like this, so you could see the body. It's very pretty design. All over you have the designs. Look really grand, very pretty one. And the pallu of the sari will be like this. And the blouse, I'll show you the blouse. And in the blouse you have like this. This is the blouse of the sari. And the price of this sari is 1200. This is again a beautiful designer sari in matka material. It's more of a silkish material. This is not a transparent material. Both the sides you have an attached border. Beautiful pattern, and this is also going to be an half sari pattern. And this is the pallu, a beautiful pallu with attached border, and the bottom part of the sari is going to be like this. So when you wear it, it will be like this. I'll show you how it's going to look when you wear it. So when we tie it, it's going to be like this. On the bottom you will have this color, this design, and on the top part you are going to have this. It's going to be really pretty design. So it's a very lovely sari. And the blouse of the sari is in red again. Beautiful color. Look really class. And the price of this sari is 1150. This is again such a lovely sari. In chiffon material, it's completely embroidered with small stone works. You could see a closer look of the border. Beautiful embroidery. Inside that we have a beautiful stone works. These are all catalog designs. Beautiful saris. Throughout the body we have a lovely small floral motifs running along the body of the sari. And the pallu of the sari will be like this. This is the pallu of the sari. And the blouse will be this is going to be the blouse of the sari. You have design for the hand and for your neck. Back neck you have this design. So this is going to be the back neck, and for both the hands you have embroideries. So the sari will look really grand when you wear. It's going to be beautiful. It's all chiffon sari, so it will be slightly transparent materials, and the price of the sari is 1540. This is a beautiful chiffon sari. In that we have a brasso design. It's a half sari model. I'll show you the design completely. It's going to be a beautiful shades of pink in the bottom, and after that in light orange and an yellow. It's going to be like this. And both the sides we have a contrast borders which is an attached border. And the pallu of the sari is this beautiful pallu. And the blouse, the bottom part of the sari is going to be in the printed one. So when you wear it, it's going to be like this. So the bottom part is going to be like this, and on the top you're going to have this kind of a design. Beautiful pattern, looks really different. All chiffon material, so these materials will be slightly transparent. And a very beautiful contrast blouse for this in pink. And the price of this sari is 1270. This is again a beautiful material. It's a slightly shining material, a metal chiffon type sari. You can have a closer look how beautiful the work, embroidery is being done. It's all lovely work, neat work, beautiful finish, and the material will have a small shine. It's more of a metal chiffon material, dual shade, so that you have a green and a light blue shade mix. And throughout the body a very beautiful embroidery. It's going to be pretty embroidery throughout the sari. And this is the pallu of the sari, and the blouse is going to be, so throughout the body you will have embroidery like this, very pretty ones. You will have embroideries throughout the sari. And the blouse of the sari is in silkish material in contrast red. So this is how the blouse is going to be. Very beautiful shade, lovely pattern. And the price of this sari is 1280. This is again a beautiful chiffon sari, a dark brown with an yellow color combination with completely a lovely embroidery on the bottom. It's an attached border with a beautiful embroidery throughout the bottom part of the saree you have that embroidery. On the other side it's a small design, and in the body also we have a lovely embroidery. You could see the saree. I'll show you the full saree so that you can have an idea of how the saree looks. A pretty grand saree this is. Lovely pattern, beautiful saree, and the pallu of the saree is this, and the blouse of the saree is in contrast yellow, and the price of this saree is 1250. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sure you'd have liked the lovely collections. To purchase these sarees, take a screenshot and send us to the number 938485129. I repeat, it's 938485129. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.